Hi, I'm John Watson, owner of Chicane, and this is a beautiful 1971 DBSV8, and we're going to show you and tell you some of the upgrades we've done to this car to make it beautiful. Okay, this V8 engine has been upgraded to 5.7 from 5.3. We've had the Bosch pump set up perfectly, so we know this engine performs well, cold or hot. The engine is connected to a 6-speed Chicane gearbox, which is far superior to the 5-speed ZF gearbox. It's much more precise. The ZF gearbox is clunky and agricultural. As you can see by the exhaust system, that's a bespoke system that we've had done for this car. It sounds great and it performs well. And going back towards the rear of the car, we have a beefy anti-roll bar which keeps the car nice and flat, same as the front, and we've got upgraded shocks and springs so this car handles and performs perfectly. So this is a brief insight into all the modifications and upgrades we did to this beautiful car. Please visit our website to learn more about what Chicane are up to.